So that is what should be the objective of any business organization, to convert a question mark into a star. And then finally, the fourth one, as you can see on the screen, is a dog, and that means what? That means market share is low, and the market growth rate is also low. So what do you do in such a case? Obviously, it's a dog. So that means you get out of it as quickly as possible, and focus your resources and your time and efforts on the companies which are in the category of question mark, because जो stars हैं, they are stars in any case. Focus in converting the companies into the question mark group into the stars. Cash cows, try to make as much as you can before they move to the dog category actually. So this is how your BCG matrix works. And then you have GE McKinsey 9-box matrix, and as you can see, what you have here is again like BCG matrix, which is used for the purpose of portfolio management. So when I say portfolio management, that means portfolio of the companies. Likewise, GE matrix also is for the purpose of portfolio management, and it looks at two things. One is industry attractiveness, and the second is business unit strength. So in a way, अगर आप सोचेंगे तो आपको ध्यान में आएगा कि इंडस्ट्री अट्रैक्टिवनेस का मतलब क्या है. इंडस्ट्री अट्रैक्टिवनेस का मतलब बीसीजी कंसल्टिंग मैट्रिक्स में जो मार्केट शेयर है, it is nothing but the industry attractiveness, and business unit strength is nothing but the market share. So the terms are used differently, but ultimate meaning is same. So what GE McKinsey's matrix does, instead of 4 quarters, it has got 9 of them, and so depending on where a particular company in your group is falling, तो अगर एक कंपनी आपके ग्रुप में जिसका एक जो बड़ा ग्रुप है जिसका आप इवेल्युएशन कर रहे हैं, और यू आर लुकिंग एट द कंपनी वन बाय वन, एंड अगर आप देखते हैं कि एक कंपनी इंडस्ट्री उसकी अट्रैक्टिवनेस अच्छी है और उसकी बिजनेस यूनिट स्ट्रेंथ भी स्ट्रांग है, तो यू नीड टू पुट इट ऑन द ग्रो कैटेगरी. अगर इंडस्ट्री अट्रैक्टिवनेस मीडियम है और बिजनेस यूनिट स्ट्रेंथ इज ऑल्सो मीडियम, देन यू पुट इट ऑन द होल्ड. और अगर उसकी इंडस्ट्री अट्रैक्टिवनेस अच्छी है और बिजनेस यूनिट स्ट्रेंथ ओके है, then you put into the category of harvesting. That means this is where you need to focus more. So this is your GE McKinsey's 9-box matrix. And the question that you can have on this is 3 strategies suggested. In which of the following is not a strategy suggested as per the McKinsey's 9-box matrix? Grow, hold, harvest, close. So close is the right answer, which is not here. So this is how the questions are structured in the exam, and this is how you would look at them. Then you got a ADL matrix. Now again, ADL matrix is again on the similar basis. So it would look at from the point of view of competition position, and it would look at from the point of view of the industry life cycle stage. And so again, it would have the as the competition position, it has got 4 parameters. Dominant position है कि strong position है, या favorable position है, या tenable position है, या weak position है. That means as a company, where do you stand in terms of competition? Are you a dominant player, or you are a strong player, or you are a favorable player, or you are a tenable player, or you are a weak player? So depending on that, you will decide. Industry life cycle stage, are you at the embryonic stage? Embryonic, you can understand, just coming into existence. Growth, existence में आ चुका है, now is growing. Mature, so you have reached to a point where there are no further future growth possible. or aging, that means you are at the decline. So ADL matrix would look at the portfolio management from the competition position and from the industry life cycle stage, and look at those for 20 different combinations as you can see them on the screen. Core competency is, friends, something which is, I'm sure all of you must have heard of Dr. C.K. Prahlad Rao, who was a Harvard University professor. And C.K. Prahlad Rao spoke about core competency. And what is the meaning of core competency? According to C.K. Prahlad Rao, professor of Harvard University, once upon a time, core competency was something which was very common in management circles discussions. एंड कोर कॉम्पिटेंसी का मतलब है, सी के प्रहलाद राव कहते हैं कि जो आपकी मेन स्ट्रेंथ है उस पर फोकस करो, ना कि जो इंसिडेंटल एक्टिविटीज़ हैं. एंड आई एम श्योर फ्रेंड्स यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड फॉलोइंग द एडवाइस ऑफ सी के प्रहलाद राव ऑन द कोर कॉम्पिटेंसी, all this outsourcing thing that you see today is all coming from there. तो जब लोगों को समझ में आया कि भाई हमारी कोर कॉम्पिटेंसी ये चीज़ है, तो हमको इस पर फोकस करना चाहिए, बाकी जो एक्टिविटीज़ हैं लेट मी आउटसोर्स देम. सो लेट मी फोकस ऑन द ए कैटेगरी ऑफ द एक्टिविटीज़, बी एंड सी आई कैन आउटसोर्स, एंड दैट इज़ योर कोर कॉम्पिटेंसी. सो जो आपकी कोर कॉम्पिटेंसी है उसको फोकस करो. जो साइड एक्टिविटीज़ हैं विच कैन बी डन बाय समबडी एल्स, लेट समबडी एल्स डू इट, एंड दिस इज हाउ यू कैन क्रिएट मोर वैल्यू फॉर योर businesses.